Hi, I'm Brian Timoney, and I'd like to invite you along to this very special global acting broadcast I'm going to be doing. And it's on the 7 essential steps to become a successful professional actor. Now, this is something I know a lot about. I've been doing this since 2006. I've trained over 1,300 aspiring actors. Usually people that come to me with very little or no acting experience, I train them up and launch their careers into the industry. Many of whom have appeared in major feature films, TV programs, theatre productions, you know, tons of stuff. So basically, I know what I'm doing here, and I know how to take somebody from scratch and get them into the industry. So what I'd like to do is give you these 7 steps that I put together free of charge on this global acting broadcast. I'm going to take you through step by step and show you what you should be doing, what you shouldn't be doing, and so that, you know, regardless of where you are right now in your acting journey, you might just be starting out, or maybe you've just kind of had an idea that you would like to become an actor. I'll show you how to do it correctly, and it's very important that you get this right from the start. You know, not like a year from now when you've kind of made maybe some decisions that you shouldn't, or you weren't informed enough, etc. So let's get you on the right path right from the start. So I'm going to take you through these 7 steps, and to be quite honest, they're going to be life-changing, career-changing for you if this is something that you're really serious about and that you would like to achieve. So why not join me? Okay, so go ahead, sign up for the broadcast, and I'll see you on the broadcast very soon.